ಹಾಯ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವೀಣಾ ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ, obstetrician gynecologist. I thought I will give a little bit of bits about a pregnancy. ಬಸರು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಭಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ phase of life, and just like we prepare ourselves for important phases in our lives like a board exam or a wedding, or even in fact even one small grow pravesha, we start prepping. Just like that, I think we should be prepping our body also for an important phase of our life, like pregnancy. ಮನೆನ ಶುದ್ಧಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಪೂಜೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ದೇವನ್ನ ಗಣೇಶ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗೌರಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಶುದ್ಧಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿನ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಶುದ್ಧಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 3 to 4 months of a healthy lifestyle just before you plan for a pregnancy, I think goes a long way. So if you are overweight or if your BMI is very high, try to reduce a little weight. A few kgs reduction in weight will go a long way to have a healthy baby and a healthy pregnancy. Abstaining from things like alcohol, smoking, marijuana. Previously I think we didn't have so many addiction problems. So I think better to give up those kind of habits before you plan for a pregnancy. I think that would make you people more responsible parents. Thinking of ಒಂದು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ರೂಮ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ರೂಮ್ ಕಲರ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಬೇಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸೀವ್ಡ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ when the baby is coming into your womb, then you need to give that a healthy environment. Understand that there is no one size that fits all. Like whatever might have worked for your sister or your friend may not work for you. So you may say that my friend was 110 kgs and she went through a very easy pregnancy. Why do you want me to lose weight? Everybody is not the same. So, and if you reduce weight, your baseline weight is a normal weight, then a healthy pregnancy is more possible. Always have at least one prenatal advice before you start this wonderful journey. A few tips from an expert will go a long way to have a healthy pregnancy and delivery. There is a burst of information which is available on the social media nowadays, but everything cannot be believed. Take an expert advice and get the knowledge before you plan on a pregnancy.